Happy Valentine to you all. So you're welcome to today's video of beautiful and amazing gray hairstyle. Stay tuned and keep watching. Hi ladies, so this is a video of the salt and pepper hairstyle. So in this very video you're going to be seeing beautiful ladies, bold ladies, and classy ladies. So if you want to be addressed as a classy gray hair lady, or you want to look beautiful at all times, you want to look amazingly attractive, why on gray hair? Because gray hair is not like every other hair kind of texture or hue or color. It's something that needs your attention, so you can be less concerned about your previous hair color, but not gray hair. Gray hair is something that needs attention. You should always pay attention and also always care about it, care for it, and use good hair products to make it look better. So you looking better is the efforts you have really put in making your hair look good. So here are combined videos for you to try out if you want to go for the bobs. The bobs is a very good option for ladies that don't want their hair around their chin, around their neck area, around their face. A bob is a good option to try out, and it's a low maintenance hairstyle. It doesn't cost much to get it maintained or get it done. And also the pixie haircut is also a very good option for ladies who don't even want the bob to come close to their face, to their eye, or touching their necks or their ear. The pixie is a very, very good option, and it's still a very low maintenance hairstyle. Yeah, it doesn't really cost much to get it done and to maintain it. It's just for you to go to the salon and always get that curves and that cut. So if you're the type that likes a short wavy style, here is also a video that you're gonna love. So many beautiful styles to try out from this video. This video is just gonna give you, it's like a heads up, like a hint for you to try out, even if you're not trying exactly what you see in this video, but just you should have an idea that you should take care of your gray hair. It's very, very important you take care of your gray hair, because if you don't, you're just going to look like you're abandoned. That's just the fact. Not taking care of your gray hair makes you look abandoned, makes you look like you've been deserted. So try as much as possible to go for low maintenance gray hairstyles. All these hairstyles I just posted are all low maintenance. It's not something you always go to the salon like every day or twice in a week. No, it's just something when you get done, maybe in a month's time, you can go and do some touch up. Yeah, so that's why I'm bringing it to your doorstep. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you love this video. And there's one beautiful thing you need to know about this video is having a gray hair, having a silver hair, or having a salt and pepper hair doesn't make you look old, doesn't make you look outdated, it doesn't make you look rough. Gray hair, silver hair, and the salt and pepper hair are beautiful things. They are everything everyone wish to have, and it's also a stage of life which everyone wish to get to. So when you are at that stage, you should be grateful, you should be happy, and you should be bold. Another thing I need to let you all know is that it's not only the matured people that has come of age that only gets this gray hair. A lot of the younger ones, like the 20s, even the teens, they also have this gray hair. That doesn't mean they are of age. No, it's a genetic stuff. Yeah, some people have these genetic stuffs that they have gray hair right from childhood, right from birth. So that's a different ball game entirely. The one I'm talking about is being a matured person, and you have gotten to the age of the gray hair stage. This is just a blessing from God, a blessing from humanity, and a blessing to you. So don't feel shy, don't feel bad, don't feel ugly, don't feel rough. Just stay blessed, stay positive, be happy, do the needful, go out often with beautiful hairstyles. Always visit the salon to get lovely hairstyles done. If you want to go for the low cuts, that is perfect. Whatever hairstyle will make you comfortable, make you look beautiful and easy to maintain, that is what you should go for. You shouldn't go for what people do. Go for what you can do and what you can continue with. So that is what I advise you all to go for. So I want you to keep loving yourself, loving God, having faith, and also to wish you a very, very happy Christmas in this season of Christmas. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and thanks for watching, and thanks for also subscribing.